Hello friends, welcome back to Modeling Planet. Your home timeless glaze, unsorbital confidence and the course is the instability and magic of nylon and high heels fashion. Today we are shining our spotlight with a woman who has been absolutely studying Instagram. Ablas is the stunning, the glamorous Lortona Sanchez. Lortona is not just another influencer scrolling through your feed. No, she has become a symbol of the modern glamour, so the source of the lifestyle, inspirations, and the power of the confidence who shows us exactly what is the means to embrace to style online. She is known as the traditional expressions, and her Instagram is not just a page, it's an experience. Every post is international, every detail is a carefully thought out, and her signature looks like nylons, sky-high heels, and the outfits that perfectly balance elegance with allure has become a trademark. But it's not just about clothes. Each photos, each reels celebrate her the natural curves with the poise and the positions. Lortona reminds us that every snap of the camera that beauty is not defined by the size. If defined by the confidence, what makes her stand out even more is her ability to blend fashion with the lifestyle. She has this rare gift of turning something as simple as a mirror selfie into the flawless statement of the glam, and her reel is the pure magic. 1 second she is a casually chic, the next dazzling in the nylons and the heels, serving looks that the bold feminine in the unfamiliar has the feet feels like the runway that never ends. Yet it never flails out. Reach that balance between her the fashion energy and everyday authenticity is exactly what keeps her the audience coming back. Because Lortona does not just pose, she is a radiating, her prayerful reels has a confident stance, her glowing presence, and the voice bears them same truth. At the core of the fashion lies something even greater, self-love. Her content is not about clothing perfections. It's about being the present, being powerful, being real, and that's why people connect with her. Not only do they admire her look, they embrace improvement in the response. Every caption, every post, every playful transition tells in the story of the woman who knows that the world is not afraid to shine in a world where so much of the social media feels staged and the manufactured. Lortona proves that confidence is not something you buy, it's something you own, and when you own it, it changes everything. Your style, your energy, your entire presence. She is living proof that while fashion trends may fade, style is forever. And more importantly, confidence will always be that most beautiful things you can wear. So if you enjoyed this spotlight on this incredible Lortona Sanchez, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Modeling Planet. Thanks for watching this video.